Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting the water off and relieving pressure because trapped water makes repairs harder. Next, lay the expandable hose flat and visually inspect for splits, burst inner tube, or detached fittings. Remove excess water by hanging the hose or draining through the end. Make sure to note exact damage location and measure the damaged section's length. Once done, collect tools, replacement connectors, silicone tape, scissors, clamp, and position yourself near a workbench to begin cutting and exposing the damaged area carefully. You'll cut the hose cleanly at least 1 inch beyond visible damage so the inner tube is healthy. Use a sharp blade and keep the cut square. Then slide the fabric sleeve back, pull out the old inner tube, and insert the replacement coupling or new inner sleeve, aligning it so seals sit flush. Tighten a stainless hose clamp over the connection while compressing the inner tube. Wrap silicone tape over the junction for abrasion protection and to smooth the fabric before retucking it. You're almost finished. Slowly restore water and run the hose at low pressure, observing the repaired joint for drips. If you see a minor seep, shut off, tighten the clamp about 1/4 turn, or remove and rewrap silicone tape to improve the seal. Make sure fittings sit straight. If leakage persists or the inner tube crimps, replace the inner sleeve or install a new hose. Repaired joins should be checked monthly to ensure the fabric and connectors haven't shifted under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.